Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val, but this is how you do it. I have some salmon here, and I have 3 tilapias. Now, what I'm going to do is take just some regular honey that I got from Walmart, um, and I'm going to pour it in this spoon right here. Probably a spoon to each fish. Pour it on top of it. And rub it on the fish. Rub it all over the fish. And then when I get through seasoning this fish, gonna be honey, garlic, and a little Old Bay seasoning. And the honey is gonna help the seasoning stick to the fish. I got this salmon from Walmart. Got the tilapia from Walmart. I'm trying not to go to too many stores to do any shopping. Trying to make that one-stop shopping, do it all. It's kind of hard to do, but it's getting there. If you have to go out and you don't have a mask, wear some type of scarf or some type of covering just for your safety. Or if you have it, have something and don't know you have it. It's for the safety of others. Now, for you guys that believe that the president said take a little disinfectant like pine sol and bleach and spray, you people that think it was a joke, that he was joking when he said it, do thumbs down. And you people that believe that he was not joking when he said it, give me a thumbs up. That he was not joking, thumbs up. Joking, thumbs down. That's garlic. Not joking, thumbs up. Joking, thumbs down. I just want to see where my audience is on that. Doing this cooking video. Obey season on it. I'm going to put this in the oven for maybe 20 minutes or until the pink is out of the salmon. I'm going to put you on pause for that. Oh, I'm going to cover this too. Let me show you the top that I'm going to cover it with to make sure that the juices are on it and it's not dry. That's the wrong top. Let me pause this for a minute, then I'll show you the top. And let me turn the timer on. Okay, I'm going to put it on about 375. I'm not going to put it on the broiler. I put it for about 23 minutes. My stove got the preheat and all of that good stuff. So do it until the pink is out the salmon. Okay, this is what it looks like right after the 20 minutes. 20 minutes has passed. And this is honey, garlic, fish. Now, the way Willie does not like salmon. That's why I have the 2 salmon and he has the other. Now I'm going to show you. That should be a close-up enough for you, but show you how easily this is plated. And it tastes just like beautiful, beautiful honey soaked into that fish with a little bit of garlic. Well, you say, Val, you plated that. How does the tilapia look? And this is Val, but this is how you do it. I talk to all of you beautiful people in the next video. This is honey fish. Honey salmon and honey tilapia. Let me get that phone. And then I'll see all you beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.